We are pleased to show you the 2020 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, running boards, power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.